Hi, welcome back to Tiny Teaching Tube. Did you click on this video because you want to know exactly when to use was or were? I know this topic can be pretty confusing, but trust me, you'll feel much better by the end of the video. Plus, I'm going to give you a little quiz at the end so you can check if you've mastered it. Before we start, take a look at this table which should help you organize what we'll learn in this video. Here are the pronouns: I, you, he, she, it, we, they. Now, remember how I grouped he, she, and it in one group because they will share the same verb. So here we go. I, he, she, it, they should all be paired up with was. And you, we, and they should be paired up with were. Was is a be verb and it is the past tense of is. You're talking about known facts or something that already happened. It is used in the first person singular, I, and the third person singular, he, she, and it. Let's make some examples. I was at the library yesterday. She was sad earlier, but she is happy now. He was the former CEO. It was my grandmother's coat. All of these things are in the past. Great. How about when we pair the be verb with the second person you, the first person we, and the third person they? That's right. You, we, they were. You, we, they were. We should use were. Were you at the movies last night? We were ready before you. They were asleep by the time I came home. You can even replace the pronouns with common nouns and proper nouns and pair them with was and were. Helena blank sick last night. Here, Helena has replaced she, so you can use was. The cookies blank warm when it first came out of the oven. The cookies can be replaced by they, so we should use were. Fran and I blank planning to travel together. Fran and I can be replaced with we, so we should use were. Great. Do you think you're ready for that quiz now? Guess if you could use was or were in the following sentences. Blank they out of their mind. It blank too loud. Cameron blank very excited. Time to check. Were they out of their mind? It was too loud. Cameron was very excited. Alright, so how did you do? Do you feel more confident using was and were correctly? If you enjoyed the video, please do me a favor and like and subscribe to my channel so I can continue to make more of these videos. Make sure to visit my channel for more practice on your English grammar skills. Thanks and see you next time!